Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to save the Primavera file to the computer, how to assign the baseline to this project, and how to add or remove the columns from this table view. So go to File, Export, and then you can change the Primavera versions to the current one or earlier one. Let's say we want to export this Primavera file in 8.2 version. Click 8.2, click Next, Project, Next, project name, construction of head office, Next, and then we will select the destination folder. This is the baseline project, so we will save it to the baseline folder. We will rename it construction of head office underscore baseline. Click Save, click Finish. So the file is saved now, so we can see it in the baseline folder. Let's open that folder. Here baseline, and you will see this file is XER version. Now how to assign the baseline to this project. So we will click Project, Maintain Baseline, Add. Now we want to convert the copy of this project as baseline, so we will save a copy of the current project as a new baseline. Click OK, and here the baseline copy is shown. Click Close, then again click Project, Assign Baseline, and here project baseline we will select that copy. The primary baseline, again the same copy, and click OK. Also there is another way to assign baseline to this project. So let's go to the projects. First we will import the copy of the project which we want to assign to as a baseline. Import, next, select that file, next, import to construction of head office 001, create a new project, construction sector, click next, finish. So this project is import to Primavera now. Now we want to assign this as a baseline to the main project. We will open this project, go to projects, maintain baseline, add, convert another project as baseline. OK, select this file, close, go again to the projects, assign baseline, construction of head office as project baseline, primary baseline is again construction of head office, and click OK. So the baseline is assigned to this project in another way. Now we want to add some columns to this table view. We will right click here, go to columns, and now we want to add the baseline start and finish dates and baseline duration also. So we will look for BL project start, we want to keep it before start, BL project start, BL project finish, and for the duration we will go to the duration section and we will find the BL, the baseline project duration. Here we want to keep it after remaining duration. Now click OK, and all these columns are shown here. Now in these columns you will see baseline duration, baseline project start, baseline project finish. The dates on the baseline project start and finish, these are fixed now. We cannot make any changes because the baseline is already assigned to this project. We can only make changes in the dates in this start and finish column. So for example, we want to mark this activity as actual. So we will go to status, mark it. The start date is marked actual, the finish date is marked actual. Now you will see A is appeared with the dates. It means that this activity has happened and it is marked as actual. Now if we reschedule these activities on a different date, let's say on February 15, 2020, select schedule. So you can see the changes only shown in the start and finish dates, the simple start and finish dates, but the baseline dates are the same. No changes are made in the baseline dates because these baseline dates are fixed and we can measure the actual progress against this baseline. I want to save this template for this project. The table view, the Gantt chart view, the template for another project can be different, so I want to save it for this project. Go to layout, save as, and let's say rename it as sample BL2. Now we want to see the baseline bars in the Gantt view, so we will right click here, bars, click primary baseline and click OK. So you will see the baseline bars appear below the other bars. In this way we can add or remove different kind of bars from this Gantt view. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.